Good evening, everybody. This is Jeet again after such a long time. I'm so sorry that I was not able to make a vlogs since pretty long. I believe it's like 4 months. The last vlog I put it on my channel. I'm very excited today. I'm going to some place. It's full of nature. It's full of adventure. So I was preparing it, all the gadgets what I needed for this trip, and I was collecting it. I was ordered few things online. I went out to buy some gadgets which is going to help me a lot to make a beautiful vlogs. Quality of the video is going to be different than any other vlogs which I have made so far. So stay tuned with me. I have to catch up a few people on the way, and then I will be seeing you accordingly throughout my journey, and I will keep on you updating where I am going, and you will be seeing it. Anyway, stay tuned and keep watching. Hello everyone. I have reached at Anandpur Sahib, and it's been a great drive. It's been really great drive, and it's like you can see the people are having fun, and it's a long weekend. So today is almost 2nd October. It's off, and I believe that's the reason these people are out and also going to the same place where I am going for holiday, and they're just having fun, drinking, listening to loud music and having fun. From here the destination is just 300 kilometers, and it's all a hilly area. I believe this is gonna give me a hint where I'm going, so let me reveal it. I'm going to Kasool, and yes, Parvati Valley, and there is a place called Kheer Ganga. So that's the place where I'm gonna visit, and I never visited before. That's the reason I was so excited. I'm still very excited, and let's see what's gonna happen. And that's it. I speak and too much, man. Never mind. So I have just ordered for tea, and I already brought a home cooked food. I'm gonna have it now, and then after tea I'll start over. So I'll keep you updated, and stay tuned. Good morning everyone. It's a beautiful day, beautiful morning, and you can see the view all around me. So for time being, I just stop over because it's been continuously, I was driving whole night and was exhausted. I was like sleepy, too sleepy. Kasool is I believe a 3 hours drive from here. I don't know what this place called. Dhugri. Sorry, don't know what place it is called. But anyways, I just stop over for a breakfast. Just had coffee and a few toast. Now I'm gonna just relax a bit, and then I will start my journey again.
evening everyone, how are you all doing? I reached around 11:30 here and I got my room because the checkout time was 12 o'clock and still the room was not cleaned properly, and that's the reason they couldn't provide me the room instantly. So in Himachal, because the national highway, there are still some kind of a constructions going on, and it's not exactly, but sometimes there are the chances that the road me, and he said that there is another way that you can take. It also take you to Kasool, and it's better that you should take that route because as I said that the national highway, the route, it may, there may be roadblocks because there are instructions going on.
Oh boy.